Assalamualaikum everyone. Today is the most important days in our national and international life, and also in our personal life too. Today's day is dedicated to those persons who are the most important part in our life, and only for her we come to this beautiful world. Yes, guys, today is the Mother's Day. Today's day is celebrated to honor all mothers. Today's day is celebrated on the second Sunday of May. In 9th century, Anna Jarvis of Philadelphia firstly organized Mother's Day to honor her mother who sacrificed a whole life for Anna Jarvis. Once poet Rudyard Kipling said, God couldn't be everywhere, and therefore he made mothers to represent him in his absence. Mothers are such kind of persons who sacrifice their whole life for us without any condition. Mothers are the sons of teacher, psychologist, cooker, baker, best friend, guardian, take care, discipliner, and so on. Mothers are full of emotions. When anyone says ma, all his frustration and pains go out like a magic. Mothers are most comfortable than anyone else, as said by Princess Diana. And I agree on this point. Yes, when anyone falls in danger, one person who come out in our mind first is only when you mother. So we have to obey our mother and take care of them. This should be the aim of celebrating Mother's Day. I love my mother very much, and every person loves his mother. Thank you very much.